Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given a scatter plot which is showing the densities of 7 planetoids with respect to their average distances from the sun. So the density of these planets is measured on the y-axis and it's over the x-axis, which is its distance from the sun. And we have a line of best fit in addition to the 7 points. So we're asked, according to the scatter plot, which of the following statements is true about the relationship between a planetoid's average distance from the sun and its density? So before we read any of these, let's just look at the graph and see what we can gather just from a quick glance. So we seem to have a negative relationship. So as the distance increases, the density decreases, right? So you have this planet up here, really close to the sun, 0.4, the units here are astronomical units, 0.4 astronomical units, and it has a density of 5, right? And you've got a couple other points around here, and then when you get to 2.4, 2.8 times the distance from the sun, the density is way down at 3.5. So this is a negative relationship because as one variable increases, the other decreases. So a positive relationship would be they both increase at the same time, and therefore they both decrease at the same time. But in negative, one goes up, the other goes down. So we might be looking for something more specific in our answers, but if we look here, and we go back to our 4 options, A is planets that are more distant from the sun, so these down here, tend to have lesser densities, which is that's what we found. More distance, the distance is increasing, lesser density, the density decreases. A is going to be your answer. You don't even have to check the others. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.